Awesome. So guys, welcome again to day 16 of the 21 days of flow. I'm really excited to be here with you guys today. Really, the goal in these 21 days is to support you so you can master your mindset, your energy, right? So you can achieve amazing results in your life and business. Who is excited for this? I'm really excited. Today, in this day 16, I'm going to talk about how you can make your business bulletproof, meaning how can you make your business sustainable, scalable. You know, I've been studying a lot about business recently. I'm always studying about business, but you know, a few days back, I just started going deeper, especially when it came into like studying sales and marketing and really building business with vision, you know, team. Thank you, Bridget. Now you guys can hear me. Awesome. You know, with vision, you know, how truly to build a team, motivate a team, all these things that are really, really important, right? Me, awesome. Super excited to have you guys here. And here is what I want to share with you, okay? In this episode, we should totally start doing a show, right? For those of you joining, by the way, say hello. I want to know that you guys are here. How to make your business bulletproof. How to make your business a business that is sustainable, that is scalable, that will grow without you. Because here's the thing, if you are still very on top of your business, meaning the business still depends on you in every aspect, you just have another job. You know, many people who want to go into business, they want to go into business because they want to be free. But how are you going to build a true business if it's still everything depends on you and everything is here and not on paper? And that is how you make your business bulletproof, by creating systems, by creating structures and having those written down. You know, I'm actually working on creating my sales playbook. You know, where it's basically trainings that I've done for my team, what works, what doesn't, like scripts all around sales, and it's gonna be a playbook. I might share this with my clients, and so something happens to me, I know my team can move forward and keep on selling and keep on, you know, learning how to talk, like all that stuff that I've learned, right? Like I'm creating this playbook. You know, also we're looking to create other playbooks in our business, right? When it comes to doing events, what's the first thing we do? What's that system? What's that structure? What's the thing we pass? And here's the other thing, if you decide to sell your business, investors, actually, if you're looking for investment or you're looking to sell your business eventually one day, they look at this. They're actually looking to see how systemized is your business. Is it a system, right? Or is it just like you being a very expensive waitress, you know? And this is what I realized early on when I didn't have no course, program, system, funnels, nothing, no team, nothing. I realized I was just a high-paid waitress. If I didn't work, no money came in. So I think this is really important, especially with what's happening in the economy, to really, because anything can happen to us in the sense of, not in a bad way, but it's important to build this. Build team, build systems, build structures that are sustainable, right? Everything that you do that is working, you know, start keeping track of that. Like whatever's working, let's say I have a presentation, I do these webinars and they work really well. They're amazing. I've spent so much money, time, energy, coaching around it. And now it's like, I know what works, I know why it works. And now I've been able, like, it's systemized, right? It's a system. Next time we want to do any presentation, we have a system that we know work for our people. It's not something like, yes, I was taught this, right, by someone else, but I had to test it with my audience, my people, my being, right? And then create it for me and for my audience and things like that. So it became my thing, right? Exactly, right? Now it's like a contingency plan, exactly. So I think it's really important to have this mindset when it comes to business. Even if you're starting out, doesn't matter, like, what's the onboarding process of a client? When a client comes in your business, like, what's the onboarding process? What's that? You know, like keeping this all is really important. You know, I used to not take this seriously. And today, like I am looking to systemize everything we do, literally everything we do. And right now, as I shared, we're doing the sales playbook system, right? Where it's like a system that I know works. Like now it's like, okay, anybody comes in my team, wants to get into sales, we give it, like we know it, right? It's like, it really creates this freedom as well, right? So that's what I want to share with you guys today, how to make your business bulletproof. Another thing that I want to mention to you guys about making your business bulletproof is mindset. Again, I know these days, the first days, at least the first 2 weeks of the 21 days, we spend a lot of time around mindset. But it's so important, even in this mindset around systems. Here's the thing, you got to have the mindset of surrender and letting go. Like you cannot be a control freak and trying to control every single details in your business if you really want to grow. And I had to learn this the hard way because I've shared this with you guys before. I'm a big controller. I want to control everything. I want to know exactly what's going on. And especially if you're building team and you're having A players in your team, they don't want to be micromanaged, meaning they don't want you to be every hour on top of them. Like, did you do, like they want to have that freedom, right? They want you to give them a goal, give them some incentives, and they want to go run with it. So having this mindset is also really important while building systems, structures, and team to really create a bulletproof system, right? A bulletproof business. So awesome, guys. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys today in day 16. Hope you guys enjoyed. Any questions, comments, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know as well, what are your takeaways from today? What are you taking away from today's day 16? I want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys for day 17 tomorrow. It's going to be another awesome day. I'm a controller too, Melanie. Someone's sharing that. You know what? I'm not even surprised. I hear you because that's like, here's the thing. There's nothing wrong in being a control. Like there's an advantage of every personality, right? There's an advantage of every personality. There really, really is. So yeah, we get to take the good and then we get to work, work on the rest. So yeah, ladies, I'll see you guys tomorrow, day 17. It's crazy, day 17 on the 21 days of flow. But today, I really want you to start thinking about this. Your business, even if you're starting out, guys, even you're starting out, what's your system for even being in a high energy mindset? You know what I mean? Like everything has a system. And here's the thing, when you start becoming successful, people want to know your system. Like I got this idea from a friend. I got a notebook where I'm writing down, what it really takes to create a 7-figure business. And it's actually something that I'm going to give away to my clients when we do hit the 7 figures. Like I'm doing many things, and I'm documenting everything that's working and what's not working, what's going on in my mind, the triggers, everything, because the time will come when I reach there, right? Which I will. I'm already on the way. I want to help people go like on the journey too, right? Documentation. This could be the next course. This could be the next program I launch. I don't know. You know what I mean? So I think it's really important to start documenting everything you do, your coaching, your systems, what you do, everything. Like it's all very valuable. So it's really important to make sure you start doing that. Okay. Have a notebook if you want, like me, old school. I have your Google Docs where you write all your systems. Very important. Okay. Very important. So I want you guys to think about this. Okay. Think about this because it's important to flow, knowing their systems and structures. At the beginning of my mentor, exactly, because here's the thing, when you start working, especially if you're a coach and mentor, you want to really connect the person, like you want to remember, it's all like you want to remember the stories that you have to go back, right? So it's nice to document everything, like having journals, everything is really important, very powerful. Like in that personal process, but also documenting what you do in your business, like what really helped you really with this course, like, you know what, I realized this didn't help me. I would have done better. I would have, focus on sales and marketing versus branding, you know what I mean? Like all this stuff, which I'm learning and I get to learn it and, pass the information forward, right? So you don't need to make the same mistakes as I did. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 17. Hope you have an awesome, amazing, beautiful day. Mwah! Lots of love, guys. Bye.